feisty lady, so this is just kind of a casual winter outfit. I have my flannel from Aritzia on underneath, black and white, and then my cute little crew neck thin gray sweater from Topshop, and some Levi jeans, and for shoes I'm just wearing my white Vans.
This is a more dressy outfit, as you can see, so I'm wearing this super cute dress from Target and these nude booties to go with it.
Okay, so this outfit probably isn't the best for the winter here, but where I live it's not so cold. So I have my overalls from Forever 21 as well as a shirt, and then my old school checkered Vans.
Okay, so for this outfit I have this shirt from The Gap, and these leggings from Lululemon, this necklace from The Giving Keys, and then some just winter hiking boots.
Okay, so this outfit, I just got my new Cat Scratch Lulu leggings with my Nike windbreaker and my new Nike shoes from Christmas, and they're called the Nike Sock Darts.
So I'm wearing this sweater from H&M, these jeans from The Gap, my hunter boots, and this necklace is from Quilted Bear in Utah. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment some suggestions for future videos down below. Bye!